partnered with Uber to offer $200,000 in scholarships to South Florida residents, to both Uber drivers and Uber riders. And the idea was to give an opportunity to change careers and learn web development or UX UI design.
We're really proud to partner with Ironhack. Ironhack does a great job in the community in terms of really investing in talent and cultivating talent in a growing ecosystem here in South Florida, and we're just very excited to be a part of that.
What Ironhack is providing is for somebody to, instead of going to 4 years and figure out that they don't like something or that they do like something, in a matter of 9 weeks, you come out of an experience that you can always take something away from.
You know, the wonderful thing about tech is that it's meritocratic. If you can learn the skills and you have the passion to do something with them, you can accomplish great things.
This is the future, you know, that this is a must-have skills.
I'm beyond grateful for this opportunity, and I can't wait to see where it takes me.
I'm confident that Ironhack is going to get me there.